Hey guys, so I'll talk today a little about the card design for the card that I made and the code that I used. So the first step you have to take is to think about the design of your card, to think about the views that you want to use for the content that you want to put in, to think about how to position those views, and the third step is to, of course, to style the views. So as you can see here, I have a number of elements. So first of all, I have a text view. Secondly, I have an image view containing a cool image. Thirdly, I have a second text view. And fourthly and lastly, I have a third text view. All these views, as you can see here, are contained in a relative layout view group. The first view, the image view, is center cropped because it was a rather big picture and I wanted it to stretch through the whole screen. The second element, the first image view, is aligned parent top. The third element, the second text view, is aligned parent right and is above the third text view. The third text view, meaning the fourth element, is aligned parent right and parent bottom. It acts as an anchor for the second text view. Maybe here you will see better. I took some screenshots, some pics, and now we'll move on to the actual card code and how it looks. So this is the final result. As you can see, it's pretty nice, pretty simple. It's just a just because card. So we're starting with a relative layout containing of course an XML namespace, Android, and tools predefined, with width and height set to match parent, some background, not really necessary, but it's good for practice. And then we have the first element, the image view. The image view has to be the first element in this layout, in this relative layout, because you want the text views to overlap the image, because the image is set to cover the whole screen, and so you want these text views to actually be visible. So that's why you have to put the image view first. We have a source in the drawable folder, the name of the file without the extension, of course, a width and a height set to match parent, a scale set to center crop, the ID, and the alignments. These alignments are really not necessary here, but I just put them here to show you in comparison with the next element, the first text view, which doesn't contain those kind of alignments, so that to show you that these are really not necessary. So we have the second element, the text view, the first text view, with a width and a height set to wrap content, a margin set to 20 dips, as you can probably see here. Okay, the ID, the alignment set to parent top, true, a cool font set through font family, text color set to white so it can be visible, text size set to 36 SP, so that it shows really nice, really big, really readable. The actual text, as you can see, we have no layout align parent left set to true, but the text view is aligned to the left. That's because all new elements, when they're created, they start from the top left corner. Okay, we're going to the next text view. The next text view, is the bottom one, the third text view. It has a width and a height set to wrap content, a margin bottom of 20 dips and a margin right of 20 dips also, as you can see here and here. So that is that the text is really nice, really readable. We have the ID. You will need this ID for the third text view, because this text view, like I said, is an anchor. The same font family, the same text color, the same text size, so that we have we don't want many changes throughout our card. And the alignments. So we have parent bottom and parent right set to true, and of course the text. And the third text view, it also has width and height set to wrap content. It has its own ID. The font, text color and text size are all the same throughout the card. And like I said, in the layout parameters we have align parent right set to true, and layout above and the ID of the anchor text view, meaning the bottom text view. A margin right set to 20 dips and the text. And there you go. This is the final card. I hope you enjoyed my review. I hope you learned something new or useful. Thank you very much, guys. Goodbye.